Brier School is an all-age special school within the Dudley borough for children with moderate learning difficulties and complex communication difficulties. My name is Russell Hinton and I'm the head teacher of the Brier School, a post I've held since January 2005. One of the largest special schools in the borough and in national terms a large special school. Okay, from start to finish, from the first conversation, A&S Landscape have worked with the school and Dudley local authorities to make the project a large success. So again, I think A&S Landscape have done a tremendous job for the Brier School. The canopy itself has enabled us to rename this whole area. Rather than used to call it the five-a-side pitch or the five-a-side cage, it's now called the play zone. So the play zone is available now for all the pupils 4 to 16. Throughout the winter months, this bad winter that we've had, wet and cold one with poor light, the children have had outdoor play all the way through the winter and early part of spring. So in terms of their daily experience, it enables all the children to be able to let off steam, have some play time. It doesn't matter what the weather's like, it can change their daily experience immensely. I would definitely recommend A&S Landscapes. If you had a need for another canopy, I would definitely consider A&S Landscapes. Probably go to those first to see what they could do with us. In a local authority school, we'd have to look at other providers. And obviously, having had the experience I've had with A&S Landscapes and the success of this project, we would look very favourably on best value again.